Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a story on Snapchat. So in order to create a story, what you simply need to do is open Snapchat and start basically filming a story. Now that I film my story, what you can do is quickly add it to your story by heading over to that button next to send to. It will say story. If you click on that, it will be immediately posted to story. I'm going to show you guys that right now. Now that you've done that, you can go to the top left corner of your screen and you can basically go to your profile, and then you will find my stories right here, and basically then you can see all of the stories you have posted, and you can also see how many views it has. Now let's say that you want to make a shared story or basically a public story. What you can do is simply create another story like this, it's going to send to, and then you can either click on my story right here. And basically it will be for friends only. But let's say I want to make a public story. I just click on public, just like that. And then everyone will be able to see it. And that's basically all you need to do. You can also create a shared story by clicking on new story at the top right here. And then you can click on new shared story. And that means that everyone will be able to add photos and post to it basically. And yeah, that are basically the defaults of Snapchat stories. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.